Hey, what's up everybody? I got a new video for you guys showing you guys how to program. I'm going to be programming, adding another key to the MDX. This will also work for the TLX, the RLX, the MDX, and other models, MDXs. I'm going to show you guys how to program it from the XTOOL EZ400 PRO. This is, I'm going to put a link down in the video description to this tool. This will program wireless keys, as I said in my last video. I'll link the video showing more about this scan tool in the description and at the end of the video. So what I'm going to do right now is program the key. This is the key I'll be programming. It's a blacked out key with the Acura logo on the back. So I'll be programming this one to the car, so it'll lock and unlock the doors and it will start the vehicle just like the original one. Okay, so right now I'm going to go to immobilization, and this one has lifetime updates, so this will keep getting updates for the life that you have it, which is amazing. So I'm going to Acura, then I'll go to smart key system, then this would be the 3-button smart key system. Okay, so then they have add smart key and all smart keys lost. We're not going to do all smart keys lost because we don't want to erase the keys that are already there. So basically what I'm going to do now is click on add a smart key. Okay, double click on whether the ignition can be switched on. So basically what this would do is this would force start the car in case you lost all your keys for this vehicle. It can force start the car on if you hit no, it'll force start the car on and then the ignition will come on just so you can be able to program the vehicle to the ignition. To the car. So I'm going to double click because it can turn on, which is this. You'll see this on the dash showing that it's on. Okay, so it says double click on the start button. Yes, the ignition turns on, so now it's communicating with it. It said take all smart keys out of the car. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this key and move it far away from the car. Okay, so now I put the smart keys real far away from the car, about 10 to 12 feet away. So now I'm going to hit OK. It says put one programmed smart key in the car. So I'm going to get the programmed smart key. Give me 1 second. Okay, so now I have the programmed smart key is in the car. Now the system is configuring. It says take the smart key out of the car. Okay, so now I'm going to take this one out of the car and put it to the side about 12 to 15 feet away. Now I'm going to bring the new one to the car because it's going to tell me to bring the new smart key to the car. So it says take all smart keys out of the car. Now put the new smart key into the car. Okay, put the new smart key in the car. It's in the car. So now it's communicating with the car. Switch the ignition off within 15 seconds. So hit the ignition. 1, 2 to turn it off. Switch the ignition on. Within 15 seconds, hit the ignition. 1, 2. The lights come on the dash. Okay. Then it says switch ignition off. 2. The ignition's off. Switch the ignition on within 15 seconds. So I hit the start button 2 times. Is the security light extinguished? Yes, it is. There's no light on the dash for the key. So we're good to go. So right now we'll hit yes. The light is off. So hit the off button. Then it says switch the ignition on. 1, 2. Program success. So now the key is programmed to the vehicle right now. So now we're going to check it right now. Since it's programmed, I'm going to disconnect it from the bottom. And turn the ignition on. And try the key. And it works. See? It's good to go. Now I'm going to try it now to see if it starts the car because the other key is far away. So now I'm going to hit the ignition to start it with my foot on the brake, and the car starts. and I'm good to go. It's that easy. How to add a key. They definitely made this a lot easier for the newer cars, the newer Acuras and stuff, and it has the Acura logo in the back, which I put, and this will be the new key for the MDX and extra. Alright, I wanted to make this video, guys, to show you guys how to use the EZ400 Pro. This is a super easy tool. It's really easy to use. It's less than $500. It programs wireless keys and regular keys. I'm going to show you guys programming the keys on the TL, the older TLs, how fast the process is. Look how fast the process was for the wireless keys. This works. This one pulls pin codes, all of that. It's a great tool. It works great. It's way smaller than the XPad 2 and way more cheaper, and it's way more efficient when it comes to like taking it different places and stuff like that, because it's a lot smaller. It's less to take. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. If it's a like, share, subscribe, and comment. Peace.